There are more smart glasses launching this year than phone models used to launch in an entire decade, and almost none of them will matter in 12 months. They're already changing how people navigate cities, sit through meetings, and quietly ignore their phones in public without anyone noticing. Here are 12 worth knowing about, counting down to the one genuinely worth chasing. Number 12, Viture LUMA Ultra XR. Most smart glasses lose your screen the moment you move. This one doesn't. The Viture LUMA Ultra XR holds a stable 152-inch virtual display using full 6DoF spatial tracking, so your screen doesn't drift when you move your head or walk around. Dual-depth cameras and a nose bridge sensor keep everything locked in position. It uses Sony micro OLED panels at 1500 nits for strong brightness, even in real-world lighting. Gesture controls and Harman Audio EFX complete the setup, making it feel less like a viewer and more like a spatial workstation. Number 11, RAYNEO X3 Pro. Wide field of view AR used to mean bulky hardware nobody wanted strapped to their face for more than 10 minutes at a time. RAYNEO quietly broke that rule entirely. The X3 Pro packs a full-color AR micro display across a genuinely wide 70-degree field of view while staying under 100 grams total, a combination even Meta has struggled to hit cleanly with its own hardware. Built-in sensors handle spatial mapping in real time as someone walks through a room, and emerging support for Gemini points toward an AI assistant that actually understands the physical environment around it instead of just answering typed questions. Light enough to forget about, capable enough to actually rely on, this is the pair that earns the top spot on a list crowded with prototypes and niche tools. Number 10, Meta Ray-Ban Display. A phone buzzes in a pocket roughly 90 times a day for the average person, and almost every single buzz means digging the thing out to check it. The Ray-Ban display quietly removes that entire ritual by putting a small monochrome screen directly inside the lens, showing notifications, turn-by-turn navigation, and AI responses right where the eyes already are. What actually separates this pair from the rest of the category is the wristband that comes with it, reading tiny muscle signals so a wearer can scroll, select, and dismiss things with a barely visible twitch of the fingers instead of tapping a temple or talking out loud on a crowded train. Wrapped in an actual Ray-Ban silhouette rather than a chunky tech demo shell, this is the first pair from Meta that looks like something a person would casually wear to dinner. Number 9, Snap Specs. Most companies building smart glasses are chasing productivity. Snap looked at that trend and went the opposite direction. These standalone AR glasses run their own Snap OS without needing a separate compute pack tethered anywhere, layering real-time filters and spatial apps directly over whatever's in front of the wearer, the same playful AR energy that made Snapchat itself a habit for millions of teenagers. The bet here is that AR becomes a social layer people use to mess around with friends, not a tool people use to get work done. Better optics than previous spectacles generations finally make wearing these comfortable for a full day. Number 8, Solos AIRGO 3. Most smart glasses make a wearer choose between looking good and actually being useful. Solos quietly sidestep that decision altogether. The AIRGO 3 skips screens completely, leaning entirely on open-ear spatial audio paired with an AI assistant and built-in fitness tracking that follows steps, pace, and basic activity without a chest strap or watch involved. The genuinely clever part is the swappable frame system, letting someone change the entire look of their glasses the same way they'd swap out a watch band on a lazy Sunday, something almost nobody else in this entire category has bothered building. Nothing about this pair screams for attention. It just quietly works, day after day, without asking much in return. Number 7, Viture Pro XR. A laptop screen feels painfully small somewhere over the Atlantic at 30,000 feet, and a proper monitor obviously isn't fitting in a carry-on. Viture solved that exact contradiction by building a virtual display equivalent to somewhere between a 100 and 150-inch screen directly into a pair of glasses light enough to wear for hours. The 2026 refresh brings a noticeably brighter micro OLED panel and tighter latency, which matters a lot more than it sounds for anyone gaming on a console through this rather than just streaming a show. Plugging in over USB-C takes seconds, no app installs, no pairing menus. Plenty of frequent travelers have already started using this as a full laptop replacement setup, trading a bulky monitor bag for something that folds flat into a jacket pocket. Number 6, HALLIDAY AI Glasses. Most AI assistants just sit there waiting to be asked something. HALLIDAY built theirs to do the opposite. The system tries to predict what someone might need before they even think to ask, surfacing relevant info only at the moment it actually matters, which makes it feel closer to a quiet assistant standing nearby than a chatbot stuffed inside a frame. Voice input combines with genuine contextual awareness and an automatic summarization system for long conversations or meetings, all riding on a frame light enough that people forget they're wearing anything special. Number 5. Vuzix Z100 Smart Glasses. Warehouse floors and logistics centers have been quietly running smart glasses for years, long before most consumers even knew the category existed. Vuzix built its entire reputation in exactly that overlooked corner of the industry. The Z100 layers enterprise AR overlays and remote assistance tools directly into a lightweight monocular display, letting a technician see step-by-step repair instructions or a remote expert's annotations without putting down a single tool. Voice-controlled workflows keep both hands free for actual work. This isn't chasing influencer unboxing videos. It's a working tool already deployed across factories and shipping hubs most people will never see. Number 4. XREAL Aura. A company once known mostly for strapping a phone screen in front of someone's eyes just completely rewrote its own ambition. Project Aura runs on Android XR, powered by a Snapdragon chipset built specifically for this category, with full 6 degrees of freedom spatial tracking that lets digital objects stay locked in place as a wearer actually moves around a room instead of drifting awkwardly. Real access to Google's XR app catalog means this isn't locked behind a closed garden the way a lot of competitors are. Coming in at roughly 95 grams, it stays light enough for genuine all-day wear while going head-to-head with dedicated lightweight VR headsets on raw capability. Number 3. Even Reality's G2. Some of the most interesting tech happening right now is built specifically to disappear. The G2 takes that idea seriously rather than treating it as a slogan, building a genuinely minimalist AR interface around the concept of social invisibility, meaning it's meant to look like completely ordinary glasses even mid-notification or mid-navigation prompt. There's no obvious waveguide glow, no chunky tech aesthetic announcing what's happening, just prescription-ready frames with an extremely subtle HUD layered quietly underneath the lens. While most of this list keeps chasing bigger displays and louder feature lists, Even Realities went the other way entirely, and for a lot of people who hate looking like they're wearing tech, that restraint is exactly the appeal. Number 2. Rokid Glasses. Choosing between an AI camera pair and an AR display pair used to mean picking one direction and giving up the other entirely. Rokid decided nobody should actually have to make that call. These glasses run a genuine dual-mode setup, one line built specifically around display-based AR and another built around always-on AI perception, including real-time translation overlays that live in the middle of an actual conversation instead of after the fact through an app. Some variants weigh as little as 38 grams, barely noticeable on the face, paired with a long battery dock that keeps the whole system running well past a single afternoon. Covering both directions, this category could realistically grow and is a genuinely rare bet, and Rokid somehow makes it look effortless. Number 1. ACER AI Smart Glasses. Imagine sitting through a 2-hour meeting, scribbling half-formed notes while trying to actually listen at the same time. ACER built a pair of glasses around solving exactly that problem instead of chasing flashy AR effects. Real-time transcription runs quietly in the background while the glasses stay connected across multiple devices, so a laptop, a phone, and a tablet all sync without extra setup. There's no flashy demo reel attached to this release. ACER made this same patient bet years ago with early Chromebooks, picking a practical lane nobody else wanted and slowly building real adoption around it. 12 pairs of glasses, 12 completely different bets on what comes after the smartphone. Some are years away from anyone's face. Some are already strapped to warehouse workers and frequent flyers right now. Which one actually belongs on yours?